Welcome to the KIP Color Series CAC Roller Calibration video. In this video, we'll show you how to calibrate the CAC rollers in the KIP 600 series printer. For additional reference, visit the KIP website to download the KIP Color Series service manual. When calibrating the CAC rollers, you will need to have 36-inch wide bond paper. On the home screen of Printer Service, press Manual Adjustment and select CAC Overlap from the drop-down menu. The green gearbox allows you to change the roll deck. Note: Verify CAC Overtime CNTL is unchecked. Select the color you want to calibrate. Here we select magenta. Press Start, and the adjustment chart will print out on the selected roll. In the adjustment chart, there are 4 line areas indicated in red, green, blue, and orange. A vertical line is printed inside, touching, or outside from each darker pattern. The distance or overlap of the vertical line is different on every pattern. With a loop, find the vertical line that touches the darker pattern but does not overlap each other. For example, the red area shows +6 as the best pattern. If +4 and +6 are not quite acceptable, you can type in +5 in the corresponding field on the touchscreen. Note: these steps are to define which LED pixels on the left, center, or right LED head blocks should be adjusted for the overlap areas. The left overlap area of the CAC roller assembly corresponds to the LED head pixels between the red and green lines. The right overlap areas correspond to the LED head pixels between the blue and orange lines. In the lower area of the adjustment chart, there is another set of halftone patterns with 4 symbols: a heart, diamond, spade, and club. The left side test pattern will display 2 hearts and 2 diamonds. You will notice that the density of each pattern changes. We want to find the pattern where both display the same density. Input the numbers in the corresponding fields in the touchscreen. Here, we selected 28 for the left side and 22 for the left center. Note: this section defines the designated LED pixels that should illuminate to obtain an even density between the overlap areas. When you have all 8 fields entered, press Set Values. Turn the printer off and then back on after 5 seconds to validate the change. Press Start to make another adjustment chart to verify the setting change. On the top of the page, there is a confirmation pattern for the overlap areas. This area is bordered by a dotted box. Here you will see vertical lines if the LED head pixels were not adjusted correctly. If there is a light line or a dark line, touch-up will be required. If there is a density gap among the 4 divided patterns, touch-up will be required. Verify the confirmation pattern bordered by the dotted box is correct for C, M, Y, and K. CAC Roller Calibration is complete. Thank you for watching our KIP 600 series installation playlist. For additional reference, visit the KIP website to download the KIP 600 series Setup Guide 3.